Do you want to get rid of your purchase history on the iPhone App Store? In this video, I will show you how to delete purchase history on the iPhone App Store. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Apple App Store and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the account settings page of the App Store, tap where it says Purchased. And now you'll see a list of all the apps you've downloaded from the App Store. You can just scroll down and see all the paid and free apps and games. If you want to delete any of these items from the purchase history, just do this. Let's say, for example, I want to hide Netflix. What I would do is simply swipe that app to the left and then tap on the Hide button. And that will remove that app from the purchased list, and it will be hidden so that no one will know that I downloaded it. If you want to find any of those hidden apps, just exit the App Store and then open up the settings on your iPhone. And then tap on your name at the very top. After that, tap where it says Media and Purchases. And then tap View Account. So now what you want to do next is scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see an option called Hidden Purchases. Just tap on that. And now you'll have the ability to see any hidden purchases, and you can unhide them too. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.